Video, you probably want to know how to make your own clay and wood stove. Well, there are very simple instructions for that, and we're here to tell you them. To make the clay and wood stove, you need to first have 1 large empty painting can, 1 pound of sand, 7 bricks, 6 brick pieces, 1 small empty soup can, 1 small metal rod, and something that comes. And make sure you have all the materials needed.
Take the can and make a large square hole at the bottom. Make sure the hole is not sharp and it won't cut anyone. After that, put each brick inside the can and make sure the top of the can isn't
which is where your fire will go. Put sand around all the other empty space. Also, cut 2 holes in the soup can and insert the metal rod through them, and then fasten them inside the can so that it's wedged in between the bricks.
Empty space you can with sand. After that, you're ready to make fire! Make sure that you have small-sized pieces of wood, and then put them inside the can on top of the metal rod, and make sure the can is the soup can.
a match and wait for it to be a large fire. Once the fire is big enough and hot enough, put the pot with the water you want to boil on top of the 6 pieces of brick.
So very easy to build and easy to use. Well, all we needed to do was make sure you have a large flat surface to place everything there. Shows data and says, in trial 1 we had 10 sticks of wood, but it took 20 minutes for the water to actually boil. You can see here the intervals of the temperature vary. Very easy to build and easy to use. For all you needed to do was make sure you have a large flat surface to place everything there.
If we build a wood stove that focuses all the heat in one place, then we can boil water faster and with less wood. These conclusions lead me to believe that our group worked well together, and as long as you have 2 or 3 people working on the stove when you use it, it should work fine. I can make this conclusion because Laurie, Marla, and I are in 7th grade but are smart enough to figure out how to do this together, but we wouldn't be able to do it on our own. This matches our hypothesis because our hypothesis was if we build a wood stove that focuses all the heat in one place, then we can boil water faster and with less wood. A question that we have is there any way possible we could just take the things that are causing pollution, for example, trash and bad chemicals, and just release them into space? Think about it. If we got rid of those things on Earth, what else would be affecting?
Schwan, back.
Yeah, 3 feet, buddy.
Miss it.
Can you help us with the corners?
In the corner.